Samsung has exploded higher plus 5.84% to $317,000, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Monday, June 1st, and this is your complete global market briefing. A range-bound session is developing. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 ticked up plus 0.22% to $7,580.06. Equity markets are responding to reports that it's a bear market rally, the sell-off to resume, seeking alpha. NASDAQ 100 ticked up plus 0.36% to $30,333. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Dow Jones edged higher plus 0.72% to $51,032. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. DAX is little changed, hovering near $25,105. This comes as stock market today, March 12th, oil prices surge after Iran war fears spark broad market sell-off. Yahoo Finance, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 is broadly flat at $10,409, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 5.84% to $317,000. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Microsoft made a dramatic move today, surged plus 5.45% to $450.24. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Microsoft Cloud and RE strength fuels third quarter results, Microsoft source. BHP is up plus 2.91%, trading at $62.31. Equity markets are responding to reports that iron ore price up despite China BHP dispute resolution, mining.com. Alphabet dropped sharply minus 2.51% to $380.34. Investor sentiment is being shaped by this RE stock has everything I look for in a long-term winner. Here's my case. The motley fool. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, this comes as stock market today, March 12th, oil prices surge after Iran war fears spark broad market sell-off. Yahoo Finance, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $91.12 per barrel, down 2.76% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market today, March 12th, oil prices surge after Iran war fears spark broad market sell-off. Yahoo Finance. WTI crude dropped sharply to $87.36 per barrel, down 1.73% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market today, March 12th, oil prices surge after Iran war fears spark broad market sell-off. Yahoo Finance. Natural gas ticked up to $3.29, up 0.15% on the session. This comes as stock market today, March 12th, oil prices surge after Iran war fears spark broad market sell-off. Yahoo Finance, adding pressure to energy markets. Gold climbed to $4,593 per troy ounce, up 2.08% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold's safe haven appeal weakens, StoneX. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $336,020 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.17, gaining 0.09% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.35, gaining 0.08% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.27, gaining 0% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that escalating tensions in the Middle East have boosted the US dollar's safe haven appeal, while hawkish Federal Reserve expectations have kept gold hovering around the $4,500 mark. Moo. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If this breakdown was valuable, please share it with anyone who follows the markets. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.